I just went by the watch with a whole lot of dollars to show all these niggas it's my time. Took a trip out to Cali to hang with the crew, make the play and get high fast Zaza. I say R.I.P. Kobe, a nigga so fly when I fall out, fuck around skydive. So much chicken on me, could've went by the Williams, the Rudies, the big ass Popeye. In a whole different bracket, this life is he mad. If you hit me for both, you know that I'm taxing. Keep buying cause that shit still in the package. If he say that he robbed me, he capping me. Really no niggas start settling like Captain. You not blind when you see that we have it. Known in my city, so no I'm not asking. Came a long way from dope in the can. Niggas know that I still in the game that I rep. Went to Solomon, I thought the team was 600 on all I met. Played a fool like me. Really having this shit. Got out that stuff, started rapping, and 6 months later I'm rich. Nigga know I'm a stepper, I step with some elegant. All these niggas I'm with is some fellas, and straight with a post, so I hope that you hear this. If they spin, make them wish that they never spin. Most of these niggas is how they be telling me. Man, I'm finna take over, I'm stamping. How you bang this shit, they selling, ain't ripping shit. Left your dog in that rain and ain't help with it. Eyes you solid, you ain't never deal with it. You see me, I come different, I'm blessed. We ain't got the roll, it go with my neck. 30 for both, you could die if you miss it. Can't do the show if it don't got a check. These niggas popo, I swear they ain't real. Hey, like I don't know, that's really jealous. Knowing they mad if they no longer live. Niggas know that I'm still in the game that I rep. Went to Solomon, I thought the team was 600 on all I met. Played a fool like me. Really having this shit. Got out that stuff, started rapping, and 6 months later I'm rich. Hey, I just went by the watch with a whole lot of dollars to show all these niggas it's my time. Took a trip out to Cali to hang with the crew, make the play and get high fast Zaza. I say R.I.P. Kobe, a nigga so fly when I fall out, fuck around skydive. So much chicken on me, could've went by the Williams, the Rudies, the big ass Popeye. In a whole different bracket, this life is he mad. If you hit me for both, you know that I'm taxing. Keep buying cause that shit still in the package. If he say that he robbed me, he capping me. Really no niggas start settling like Captain. You not blind when you see that we have it. Known in my city, so no I'm not asking. Came a long way from dope in the can. Niggas know that I'm still in the game that I rep. Went to Solomon, I thought the team was 600 on all I met. Played a fool like me. Really having this shit. Got out that stuff, started rapping, and 6 months later I'm rich. Nigga know I'm a stepper, I step with some elegant. All these niggas out here some fellas, and straight with a post, so I hope that you. If they spin, make them wish that they never spin. Most of these niggas is how they be telling.
Yeah, this is my grandpa. Big Papa. Big Papa.
You see me, I come different, I'm blessed. You got the roll, you go with my nigga. 30 for both, you can die. You better get off the ground.